Alright, this is my 97 Sc300 with of course the 2JZ and my broken air filter that I tried to tape up so ghetto fabulously. Anyways, I'm experiencing a ticking issue, and I'm not sure if it's the timing belt or the tensioner or I got a valve tap. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to crank it on, and I've already taken that off, and as you can see, I have definitely a loose belt. It shouldn't be that loose at all. Just to compare that, I have another one in my garage, and this one is super tight, of course. So I'm gonna start up my 2J and let you guys hear the tick, see if you can kind of give me information on what it possibly could be. Be able to hear from the up top tick. I'm getting the check engine light, but it's I know that because of a bad O2 sensor. It's not because of some rod knot. I'll rev it up a couple times. Hear that? Well, that's that. So, if anybody could give me just a little bit of information that could possibly point me in the right direction before I really start tearing into this, I would appreciate it. Thank you.